So the one who invested in this scam a lot, and who is a fraud, a robber, a stealer, and he's never gonna lose his habit because he's gonna hunt for more. I put him right there on that spot. My plan was never to go to Osho. My plans were never go to. I just have to give these details that my league is there, and of course I know a lot of people. I did an interview there, but I know a lot of people. But every year those people change. Visitors, every year there are new visitors. They will never find my league. And in that greed, they went into the Osho, doing an identity fraud, and they got caught. And my plans were never to go to Osho. But my plans are only go to my league, which only I know. And they what do you call it? I got that notification, someone wanna steal my job. Job? Do I look like a guy who does job? Huh? Or I only make art material. You fucking want something, you want to create something, I'll create it for you, you pay and you get the fuck out of here. That's the thing. So, and it's called movies. Yeah. So do I look like a guy who does job? Huh. I had fun. I had fun the entire day. I don't have to stop at one place. That's what the game was. Because when I smelled GPS spoof in right from the morning, then I don't have to stop at one place. I have to keep on doing that thing again. The same thing which I do in Chembur East, not to stop at one place. Not to. And I see they love me still. People love me a lot over there. Somewhere like let him do. Whatever he is doing, he is what he knows what he is doing. And I knew, always knew, in the greed to find my league, they will land up in Osho and they'll get themselves caught in identity theft. So some Yogendra Nikade is living there in Osho, using my name and want to use those files to get the fuck out of this country and make his living there to do more frauds. I always knew this one. It's not a new thing. It's never a new thing for me, the identity thing. But to catch one, the masters, it's right there. They entered there with a fake name and fake ID. And they will leave this country with the fake passport. Fake passport and visa. I always knew they were gonna go there. I always knew they were gonna contact embassy too. US embassy. I always knew this. I always knew they'll grab on the a portable hard disk as well. I always knew this. And I gave it to repair. 30th of March, I gave it there. I hold the bill. I always knew what is going to happen. You have to understand the psychology behind their crime. That's the thing you have to learn. You don't have to learn the technology. You have to understand the psychology behind their crime. So, but do I look like a guy who is gonna do job, who does job? Or I create art material and I say that that's done. What do you call it? When I create something, I deliver it. You like it, you take it. You don't like it, leave it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And that's called movies. Oh, yeah. Job. Venture. Had fun. So I always knew in the greed of my league they'll enter there and they're gonna get caught. Because those files are viral. And to get into in the greed of my league, they'll enter there and they'll land up nowhere. Rather than exposing themselves as a fraud, ID theft guy. I mean, come on, the news is out there. The nudes are made of Yogendra Nikade. Huh? The news is out there, and they wanna say that he is not from that ID. I mean, so there are, right? There are three different people. One from the ID, one the guy whose nudes are made, and one me with the smashed face. So both are the same person. All the three are the same person, but they wanna say no, it's different, different, different. No, nudes are made of mine, and nudes are also made of the guy from the ID. But I am not that guy from the ID. Does it make sense? No. They are tricked in their own mess. They are fucked in their own thing. And I put them right there where I wanted. That fraud is being watched by everyone over there. The one who says his name is Yogendra Nikade and he is at present living in Osho in the greed to reach my league, in the greed to escape from this country using my name and will get fucked. I put him right there.